Hey there. So how do you clean your recorder? It's actually very simple. The recorder breaks into three pieces. There's the head, the body, and the foot. Take off the belts first. Set them aside for later. You don't need to wash them. Then take the pieces apart. Then wash them in warm soapy water in your sink. You could just run them in detergent along with your other dishes. Wash them really well. If you see anything in the mouthpiece that looks a little brown, you might take a toothpick or a very tiny like bottle brush or pipe cleaner or something and scrape that out. Otherwise, regular warm soapy water will kill the germs. Rinse it, let it dry for 24 hours, and then put the pieces back together again. Not a problem, very simple. You don't need to use harsh chemicals, you don't need to use bleach or anything like that. The one thing I would say is do not run it through the dishwasher because some of those are so hot that they could melt the plastic. So, warm soapy water, 24 hours to dry, and you're good to go again. Thanks.